Sometimes you don't realize the weight of something you've been carrying until you feel the weight of its release. In this yoga tutorial, we will explore Anjaneyasana, also known as slow lunge. This is a deep stretch to the groin, quads, and hips, and with the proper alignment in the legs, you will relax and feel the full weight on your lower body. So grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's get flowing. Find yourself on 4 points, tabletop, aligning your shoulders to your wrist and your hips to your knees. Take a big step forward with your right foot, placing it right in the center of your hands. Once there, begin to extend the back leg towards the back of your mat. Begin to drop the hips forward and sink them low as you bring your hand on top of your right quad. Maintain the chest open with the shoulders down and back. Once there, extend your arms fully straight up to the sky as the chin points up. We make sure that the front knee is aligned with your ankle as the left leg drapes back. To come out of the pose, you may bring your hands back on top of your quad or straight down to the mat, framing the right foot, lifting up your hips and placing the right knee on the ground. Let's observe this one more time on the left side. Taking a big step forward with the left foot, placing it right in the center of your hands. Extend the right leg back and bring your hands up onto your front thigh. Press down into your thigh and feel your abdominals engage. Lift up your rib cage as you extend your arms straight up to the sky and feel the hips open as you release the weight of your body. Stay here for at least 5 breaths. Slowly coming out of the pose by placing your hands again on top of your thighs or straight down onto the mat, lifting up your hips and coming back into tabletop position. Now let's explore a variation if you want to make your practice a little harder. Bring the right foot right in the center of your hands on your thigh. Extend your arms up to the sky. Hover the back knee over the ground as you shift the weight to the front leg. It's important to notice that the top of the back foot is on your mat. To come out of the pose, rest the knee back down on the ground, hands on your thigh or straight down on the mat. Lift up your hips and bring the right knee back to tabletop position. Remember, this is a pose offering a deep stretch. So listen to your body. Be nice and gentle to yourself. Have fun and keep on practicing. From my heart to yours, Namaste.